In the name of Allah, welcome to back my channel YouTube Inaa Graphics. Today I am love logo design process from start to finish. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment. Okay, let's start this video. Okay guys, my logo my sketch is ready. Now I am create this logo. Okay, select the sketch and shape tool and fill the any color. Create this here, create this here, and create this here. Okay, and create this here. Okay, my logo is ready. Select the logo and remove this extra part and paste it here. Paste the logo and fill the color. Select the color. Okay, set the color. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. My logo is ready. Select the cursor and fill the black color and create this here and go to select the feather. Okay, go to object and expand. Okay, set the shadow. Wow, select the cursor, logo and shadow and alignment. Okay, my logo is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, see you next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Pakistan.